Ben, it couldn't last, could it really? I mean, it's only April, so we really do need some rain. But I have managed to find you a beautiful weather watcher in the Highland in Scotland. Now, most of us were going to look out for this kind of weather last weekend, but there's a sign of a change. Some rain is on its way as we speak across northern England, Wales and down into the Midlands. And there's some wetter and increasingly windier weather to come a little later on today. But sheltered eastern areas, you'll probably cling on to some dry weather, maybe even some beautiful sunshine into the far northeast of Scotland. And if we keep some sun, we'll see some warmth here, 16 or 17 degrees. But further west, underneath the cloud and with the rain and the increasing winds, it's going to feel noticeably cooler out there. Temperatures perhaps struggling at around 12 or 13 degrees. Now look at this swirl of cloud out across the Atlantic at the moment. This is the next area of low pressure which will arrive through the night tonight. It's been named Storm Hannah, not because of the intensity of the rainfall, because of the strength of the winds, but it will bring some heavy rain, chiefly across Northern Ireland, Northern England, Wales into the Midlands overnight. And we will start to see on the southern flank of that low as it moves through some potentially damaging gusts of winds in excess of 70 mile an hour, maybe more on exposed west facing coast. That's strong enough now to potentially cause some issues, particularly with trees coming into full leaf. So to start with, in the early half of Saturday, 70 mile an hour gusts of winds on west facing coast. The stronger winds will move their way through central and eastern areas as we go through Saturday morning. And also spiralling in an anti-clockwise direction is that rain, really across southern Scotland, northern England, down through North Wales and the Midlands. To the south of it, somewhat brighter conditions, and in the far north of Scotland, it should stay largely dry, but it's going to remain windy all day despite the severe gales easing off into the afternoon. Notably windy. Factor in that, factor in the cloud and the rain. What a difference a week makes. 9 to 13 degrees at the very best. But Hannah will move off into the North Sea and allow this little bump of high pressure to build. A better second half to the weekend. The exception really is likely to be Northern Ireland, maybe Wales and southwest England, some rain here. There'll be a fair amount of cloud around, but the wind's a little bit lighter and as a consequence a degree or so warmer. So that potentially is good news if you've got friends and family taking part in the London Marathon this weekend, or you are thinking of going along and watching. Perfect weather conditions. There will be a blanket of cloud overhead, but it will be largely dry and with lighter winds. That's not too bad at all. Good luck, Ben.
Louise, many thanks.